Now I don't want you in front of it, eh?
I know, I'll be up. I need to go around. If I have to, I'll just jump on top.
No, don't be jumping on top of nothing. Okay, go. Start her up and just get way up in front of it and I'll steer it. There it goes, all by itself. Trying to grab second gear.
Second.
I didn't get it.
Trying to put it in second.
There's second. Now you gotta turn me. Push that. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Sinking in snow that's up to my waist here. Oh.
I just don't want to get in front of it.
That's a good idea. Do not get in front of it.
Not idled up enough. Still made it.
Oh, this is crazy.
Yeah, I know.
This is really not cool. Quick, quick, quick.
I don't know if you want to still it. Better get ready, still it.
Oh my God!
Now!
That's so not cool. I just show you how close it is to the truck. They both fit in the picture. Oh, this is crazy.
Yeah, I know.
This is really not cool.